Jai Hind. There is the notes of physics. First term is simple harmonic motion. So there is some key terms in the notes. First is periodic motion. The motion which repeats itself after certain interval of time is known as periodic motion. So periodic motion means it repeats after certain time. For example, the motion of moon around the earth. This is periodic motion. After every 28 days, the moon comes at its position again. Second is the motion of earth around the sun. Similarly, all planetary motions shows this periodic motion. Third is example, motion of tuning fork. Tuning fork we use in experiment to generate the frequency. It is a metallic U-shaped band that is stuck with rubber band. When it is stuck, it produces vibrations, to and fro motion. That is called periodic motion. Next key term is oscillatory motion. As its name suggests, oscillatory, this motion is periodic, linear to and fro about its mean position. But in this motion, the restoring force is not directly proportional to the displacement. So this is the important. The restoring force is not directly proportional to its displacement. So it is underlined. Next key term is simple harmonic motion. Short form is SHM. Full form is simple harmonic motion. In this motion, restoring force is directly proportional to the displacement, and this motion is linear to and fro about the mean position and periodic. So here new term arises. What is mean position? Mean position means net force on this position is equal to 0. Mean position means net force on this position is equal to 0. So it is middle position where net force is 0. Next is restoring force. The force which try to bring the body at the mean position. This is called restoration force. Restoring means it brings to its mean position. This force brings to the body to its mean position. It is always directed toward mean position. So this is important. Restoring force directly brings toward the mean position. Restoring force and displacement are opposite to each other. So displacement is the away distance, and restoring force brings near the mean position. Now there is a given diagram. This is fixed position like a wall. There is a base. On this base floor there is a object. Object is attached with the spring. Spring has its constant K. K is spring constant. At its mean position it is rest at x equal to 0. This is the mean position of this block. This block has mass m. So mean position is a place where there is no motion and there is a force is 0. There is no motion, there is force 0. So in this mean position, when we displace this object to the left side, it means we compress it, spring compress it. The force will act now to the right side. So there is a formula F proportional to minus x. X is displacement. X displacement left side. So left side on number line is negative number. So F proportional to minus x. So proportional sign remove. We put the K constant, spring constant. So K is force constant and K unit is Newton per meter. So graphical section. In graphical section, we see the graph between force and displacement. Vertical is force and horizontal is displacement. So y equal to minus mx is a straight line because force we represent with y and x we represent with x. So y equal to minus mx is in the second and fourth quadrant line. Next is maths used in the simple harmonic motion. So there is the maths. Simple harmonic motion is represented by sin omega t. So d upon dt, it means this derivative of sin omega t is omega cos omega t. Sin omega t is derivative is cos omega t, and omega t derivative is omega. Second is, again we derive it cos omega t, then we get derivation of cos omega t is minus omega sin omega t. Derivative of cos is minus sin, and omega t derivative is omega. And here we convert this angle into radian. If theta is given in degree, then we multiply pi over 180 degree. So there is a graph that is important, useful to draw the graphical way. In this graph, there is a 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree, and theta radian. 0 means 0, 30 means pi by 6. How we convert pi by 6? Multiply by pi into pi upon 180. 45 is pi over 4. 60 degree, pi over 3. So 60 degree and 45 degree, they are multiplied by pi over 180, and directly their answer is there. 90 degrees pi over 2, 180 degrees pi, 270 degrees 3 pi over 2, 360 degrees 2 pi. Sin theta, sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1, sin 180 is 0, sin 270 is minus 1, sin 360 is 0. Similarly, cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 90 is 1, cos 180 is minus 1, cos 270 is 0, cos 360 is 1. So these points we use to draw this graph, and these are the points: 0, 0, pi over 2, 1, pi, 0, 3 pi over 2, minus 1, and pi, 0. So this graph is, by rough sketch, is graph of sin theta. And if we square this graph, we get sin square theta graph. Its graph is above this axis. This graph shifted above it. So it means 0 is 0, 1 is pi over 2, pi is 0, 3 pi over 2 is 1, and 2 pi is also 0. Now cos theta graph. So at 0 degree it is value 1, at pi over 2 its value is 0, at pi its value is minus 1, at 3 pi over 2 its value is 0, at 2 pi its value is 1. So this graph is cos theta, and cos square theta graph is above this axis. Remember it. These are the graphical representation. Next is geometrical meaning of simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion explained by taking circular motion as a reference of motion. It is represented along the diameter of the circle. So circular motion means taking circle as diameter. To find out the position of particle performing simple harmonic motion, a perpendicular is drawn from the position of particle performing circular motion on the diameter of circle. Plan it. Next here is, इन सर्कुलर मोशन करने वाला पार्टिकल किसी भी इंस्टेंट पर जितना एंगल बनाता है वही SHM करने वाले पार्टिकल के लिए फेज होता है. सो cut represents the position of the particle performing simple harmonic motion. Fourth point, the angle subtended by the particle at any instant represented the phase of particle performing simple harmonic motion. So this is the quadrant, 4 quadrant, first, second, third, fourth. So here is t equal to 0, and the 2 pi 0 or 2 pi comma t, and here on vertical there is pi over 2 comma t over 4. On next point, pi t over 2, next is 3 pi over 2, 3 t over 4. So there is टोटल सर्कुलर मोशन। तो सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन को मीन से एक्सट्रीम तक लाने के लिए T/4 टाइम लगता है। दिस इज सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन। सो T/4 ये टाइम यहाँ पे T/4 लगता है। एंड मीन से एक्सट्रीम तक, फिर एक्सट्रीम से मीन तक, फिर मीन से एक्सट्रीम तक, फिर मीन तक, ये सर्कुलेशन चलता रहता है। इसी को हम लाइन ग्राफ से, एम्पलीट्यूड से समझ सकते हैं। सो दिस इज स्प्रिंग बैलेंस स्प्रिंग टाइप graph. Here is x0. When we displace the object to the left side, it forces its force on the right side. So this is 3 pi over 2 comma 3 t over 4 position. This is pi comma t by 2 position. This is pi by 2 t by 4 position. So there is 3 position is mentioned that we have studied here. Next is oscillation. When a particle goes on one side from mean position and return back, then it goes to other side and again return back to the mean position. This process is known as oscillation, and time taken by particle in one oscillation is known as time period. Number of oscillation in 1 second is known as frequency. These are important. One is time period. So time taken by particle in one oscillation is known as time period, and number of oscillation in 1 second is known as frequency. These two are important definition in this chapter. Now important points. First, displacement of particle in one oscillation is equal to 0. So work done by the particle will also be equal to 0. Next point is the distance covered by the particle in the one oscillation is equal to 4 times amplitude. Next point is distance between the extreme to another extreme is known as length of the simple harmonic motion path, and its value is equal to 2 into amplitude. Next our topic is displacement of the particle performing simple harmonic motion. So we assume sin theta equal to x over a from this triangle. This is graph of simple harmonic motion. So this is, there is right angle triangle. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse is the sin theta value. So this is x and this is amplitude a. So x over a is sin theta. So x is a into sin theta. So a goes other side by multiplying it, and we know that omega, angular velocity, is angle upon time. So this is angle theta. This is symbol theta. Angle upon time is angular velocity. So theta equal to omega into t. Omega, this is symbol w, like it is omega. So angular velocity symbol is omega. So theta equal to omega into t. It is called phase. Its term is phase. Putting the value of equation of theta in the equation. So theta equal to omega t. So we get x equal to a sin omega t. So this is the graph of sin theta or sin omega t. This is the graph. Here x is displacement of particle from the mean position at any time.
पता है सबसे ताकतवर क्या कौन है? वो अपनी नई टीम से, पुरानी टीम तैयार है ग्रेन, मतलब नहीं 100 किलोमीटर नहीं, 200-300 किलोमीटर नहीं है, मतलब 10 किलोमीटर नहीं 10 मिनट में पार। आप बताओ ना, लुकारियो पिक टॉप नंबर के सारे अभी पकड़ता 6 है, उसमें से हो गया सर। लुकारियो जब लड़ा ना, ग्रेनिंजा गया उसके पीछे के साथ, एक जंगली पौधा था जो तबाही मचा रहा था, क्योंकि ग्रेनिंजा बॉन्ड एवोल्यूशन जानता था, लुकारियो मेगा एवोल्यूशन। सोल कनेक्ट होनी चाहिए, दिल मिल जाने चाहिए। आजादी पौधे की सोल लिंक हो गई दोनों तीनों की, और पोकेमोन की आत्मा साथ जुड़ जाती है, होता है मेगा एवोल्यूशन से थोड़ा ज़्यादा ताकतवर। और इसमें जितना पोकेमोन को लगेगी ना, और ट्रेनर जो मिलेगा, पर ये समझ लो कि ट्रेनर जो ऐश है ना, इतने समझ आए इतनी देर में। मैंने आपको पूरा मेगा एवोल्यूशन। अच्छा बताओ, सबसे तेज क्विक अटैक किस पोकेमॉन का है? चलो हिंट देता हूँ, ट्रिनिटी बताऊँ, ग्रीन निंजा है ना, कि क्विक अटैक से आज तक कोई नहीं जीत पाया। उस ग्रीन निंजा के मुंह पे वाटर शरिकेन, स्मोक स्क्रीन, बट एक और था यार ऐश का, फ्लाइंग पोकेमॉन करते हैं उसे, जो ऐश के वाटर टाइप निंजा ने सीखा। यार वो आता है ना तो उसका थोड़ी बहुत क्या है यार मजा आता है बाप हो, आपको बता रहा हूँ मेरे सर वो होता है ना, तो मैं उसको अपने एज ग्रुप की बात बता रहा हूँ, जब आपको बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आ रही। बॉन्ड एवोल्यूशन होता ही नहीं है क्या, जैसे एवोल्यूशन होता ही नहीं है। म्यू, पालकी, अल्टारिया, अल्टारिया, हाँ अल्टारिया भी है, और राजू, और टैलेंटफ्लेम, वही तो देख रहा था फ्लैशलिंग क्या।
This was simple harmonic motions notes. I hope you enjoyed. You can make your register and write down. Okay.